today we got to know that Aravali Hills is getting breaking down. So what if Aravali disappears? Means Aravali rahega hi nahi. So see, you will see major changes after this. Number 1, no blockage of dust. क्या होता था जब डस्ट उड़ के दिल्ली की तरफ आती थी तो अरावली हिल्स उसे ब्लॉक कर देता था. बट इफ अरावली disappeared, then dust can go to the north side easily. Number 2, temperature rises. At least Aravali decreases 2-3 degree, but Aravali disappears, then the temperature can be rise. Low groundwater. There is no type of if Aravali disappeared, then no greenery, then groundwater will get low. Number 4, high pollution. Because of it, oxygen level will get decreased and pollution will get high. Number 5, extremely hot. Because of, I tell you, in this temperature rises, if Aravali didn't exist, then in India the temperature become hot, extremely hot. Thank you. What if Aravali disappears in India? So see, if Aravali will disappear in India, then you will see some major changes in India. Number 1, no blockage of dust. What happens जब डस्ट उड़ के दिल्ली की तरफ आता था तो अरावली हिल्स की वजह से वो डस्ट ब्लॉक हो जाती थी और दिल्ली तक नहीं पहुंच सकती थी. नंबर 2, टेम्परेचर राइजेस. सी, at least 2 to 3 degree Aravali decreases the temperature. But if Aravali disappears, then temperature will get high. Low groundwater means the groundwater will get decreases. Number 4, high pollution. Because of no low greenery, the oxygen level will get decreased. Number 5, extremely hot. Because there will be less rainfall because of no greenery, so the temperature will get high in India. Thank you. So please friends, save Aravali. Thank you.